Yeah, Jackie, this is where Philly Fighting COVID administered thousands of doses of vaccine earlier this month. And the health commissioner says this is most likely where the city will take over.
I think what the city needs to do right now is really pull together.
But Dr. Ayla Stanford admits she's busy. She started the Black Doctors COVID-19 Consortium last year for testing, then moved to vaccinations. But right now, it's the only mass vaccination partner in the 6th largest city in the country.
We have a system that works. It's been tried and proven over 10 months.
After Philly Fighting COVID was cut by the city this week, she says everyone is coming to her looking for a shot. She's okay with that, but needs the city to offer up more resources.
I'm not going to move what we've been doing into affluent areas and leave the people behind that we were committed to serve.
When we asked the health department today about the city's vetting process for vaccination partners, we were told, unfortunately, the folks who can spell out the process are quite swamped today. So we'll get back to you when we are able. In a news conference, the health commissioner said the department was still working out details on the where and when and who.
It will be managed by health department staff. There probably will be some participation from other institutions that have nurses that may come help vaccinate, and it will in all likelihood take place at the convention center. We can give you more details before the end of the week.
The health department has also been distributing vaccine doses to all city hospitals, health centers, and 26 pharmacies. Dr. Farley says he is not worried.
That changeover will not slow down the distribution of vaccines. We have both nurses that we can hire as well as nurses that are volunteering for us. So that's not going to slow us down.
Tonight, the head of the last mass vaccination clinic standing is in talks with the city and waiting.
Do you think that there needs to be more help, either from the state or more medical institutions?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I mean, I've been saying that since there was an absence of testing in the communities that were hit the hardest.
It was about a week ago the city launched its own website for registering for the COVID vaccine. The health department has been sending emails assuring people who received their first dose from Philly Fighting COVID that they will be scheduled for a second. Live outside the convention center tonight, I'm DeLucia, NBC10 News.